Some people don't need motivation. They need reconstruction. Because sometimes life doesn't just hurt you, it erases you. Your confidence disappears. Your discipline disappears. Your identity disappears. And one day you wake up, not recognizing the person in the mirror. If that's you right now, this video is where you begin again. Rebuilding yourself is not glamorous. It's not a cinematic montage. It's lonely mornings, silent nights, unseen effort. It's becoming a stranger to your old habits. And most people fail because they try to rebuild everything at once. But transformation doesn't happen all at once. It happens brick by brick, step by step, decision by decision. So, if you feel broken, good. Broken things can be rebuilt stronger. Step 1. Accept the fallen version of you. Stop pretending everything is okay. Stop hiding behind distractions. Stop calling it just a phase. Your life changes when honesty begins. Look at where you are. Look at what you became. Look at the habits destroying you. This isn't self-hate. This is awareness. You cannot rebuild what you refuse to inspect. The first step is not confidence. It's truth. Say it clearly. I lost myself. Now I'm taking myself back. Step 2. Remove what is killing you. Some things in your life are poison. People, habits, apps, excuses, comfort zones. You don't need more motivation. You need less noise. Delete what drains you. Distance what weakens you. Starve what distracts you. Your future requires space, and space is created by removal, not addition. Step 3. Build discipline before confidence. Most people wait to feel ready. That's why they stay stuck. Confidence comes after action, not before it. Wake up early once, train once, read once, work once, then repeat. Small wins rebuild identity. Every promise you keep to yourself repairs trust with yourself, and self-trust becomes confidence. Step 4. Control your mind. Your mind will lie to you. It will say, tomorrow, later, you're too late, you're not good enough. Ignore it. Thoughts are not commands. Feelings are not facts. You must learn to lead your mind instead of obeying it. Silence excuses with action. Step 5. Change your body. Move, train, sweat, walk, lift, run. Your body stores pain. Movement releases it. A stronger body creates a stronger mind. You don't need perfect workouts. You need consistency. Every rep says, I'm not done yet. Step 6. Become a student again. Learn, read. Study people who rebuilt themselves. Upgrade your mind daily. The old version of you was built by ignorance. The new version requires wisdom. Feed your brain better thoughts, and your life will follow. Step 7. Become relentless. Some days you'll feel strong. Some days you'll feel empty. Do the work anyway. That's the difference. Weak people need emotion. Strong people need standards. You are not rebuilding for one good week. You are rebuilding for life. One day, you'll look in the mirror again and see someone different, calmer, sharper, stronger, disciplined, respected. But that person is built now, in these quiet moments, in these hard choices, in these painful mornings. So start today, not perfectly, but immediately, because the life you want is waiting on the person you become.